Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. In this episode, we are making a delicious dip or meze hummus with a Turkish twist. Hummus topped with pastrami and hazelnuts. It's a well-known appetizer these days in Turkish restaurants here in Turkey, and it really comes out yummy with this topping. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. I have about 420 grams of cooked chickpeas. I used uncooked ones, and how I prepared? Just scale 1 cup dried chickpeas, add plentiful of water and soak overnight or at least for 6 hours. And here how it looks after 6 hours. Let me show you the difference between the soaked one and the dried ones. Then what I did was I drained from their water and cooked again in a plentiful of water in pressure cooker until it is soft for about 25 minutes. If you don't have pressure cooker, just cook it for more times until it is soft. The cooked chickpeas have outer skin that we don't want to use in our hummus. So there is a easier version besides taking out one by one. You have to rub it gently in the water, and within 1-2 minutes you will see that the outer skin will float. Let me show you, this one doesn't have any skin and this one has. It's okay actually to use it like this, but if you want a smoother version, you have to take it out as much as you can. And here what happens when you drain the water. You can easily collect it, as you can see. Besides the cooked chickpeas, I'm gonna use about 4 tablespoons tahini paste and olive oil, juice of a lemon, some hot paprika, salt, mashed garlic, and for the topping, some pastrama, which is air-dried cured beef. Also going to use this piccola hazelnuts. It's a type of hazelnut which has a dense flavor. You can also use pine nuts, but with the similar looking shape and dense flavor, I think it will be very delicious as a topping. So now let's begin to make it. First, add the cooked chickpeas to a big food processor. I'm gonna do small thing to my garlic before I add it. First, to make a puree with the garlic press, add about 2 tablespoons olive oil and let it rest for at least 3-4 minutes before to add it to the mixture. This way the dense flavor of garlic will be set while sitting in the olive oil. Adding the lemon juice. This was juice of a lemon, but I had to add it half of it more after I tasted. And here is the tahini paste, which makes it so delicious and different. Make sure you mix it well before you open it, because sometimes the oil can go up. And add about 3-4 tablespoons. Teaspoon of salt and a garlic olive oil mixture. And process it until you have a nice puree. First, it will be very dense. It takes a while to turn it into a puree. But after this point, we will add some more ingredients like olive oil and cold water to have a silky consistency that we want. Here I have some ice cubes, about 4-5 piece, and one by one I will add it to my processor and continue to process until I have the desired consistency. It should be silky smooth but still holding its shape, and after tasting you can add more lemon juice if you need more acidity. I'm gonna check it now. It is always good idea to scrape down the sides, and it takes about 4 or 5 minutes until it is completed. Our hummus is ready, so let's make the topping that will take our hummus to a next level. In a small saucepan, add about 4 tablespoons olive oil and heat up. Add some hot paprika, about half a teaspoon or as much as you wish, to give some extra color and heat. And break the pastırma pieces and add it to the oil. Just stir for 1 minute, that's it. I just wanted to add some more paprika and of course our piccolo hazelnuts. When you have this dense flavor of pastırma with crunchy hazelnuts with the silky hummus, it will taste amazing. To serve it, use a medium-sized serving plate. If you want to heat up a little bit, which is an option, make sure it is oven safe. Pour the hummus to the center and just slightly open a well in the center. And place the warm pastırma and hazelnut mixture on top. No one would say no for an extra hazelnuts on top. You can serve it as a dip, as a side dish. Also, cucumber pickles goes well with it, which I shared in the previous episode. I wish I did include it here, but I forgot. So give it a try and enjoy. Share your photos with me from my Instagram account, Turkish Food and Travel. Check the description box below for the ingredients I bought and the written recipe. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.
Adam burada yatıyor, doktor çağırıyor, doktor gelmiyor. Sabah 6.35.